Running out of cash is hitting me hard. Invoices delayed, I'm falling behind by a yard. Jobs are rolling in, but the money's rolling out. Suppliers want payment, and I'm full of doubt. Cash comes in slow, but goes out fast. Fuel, materials, and wages, nothing seems to last. I'm done flying blind, I wanna stay ahead. I'm here to build a business, not live in dread. My mate on the tool started using the financial tools inside the G.O.A.T Tradie App. Now he's tracking every cent, his cash flow's finally on the map. I've jumped onto, and I'm finally in control. Cash flow's clear, and I'm smashing every goal. You can download the G.O.A.T Tradie Business App to set you free.